the heart of the city, where cleanliness meets efficiency, there's a revolutionary solution sweeping through the streets. Introducing the MINGNUO Ride-on Floor Cleaning Machine and Street Sweeper by MINGNUO. With sweeping efficiency of up to 7,000 square meters per hour, the MINGNUO is a powerhouse, capable of replacing more than 30 manual laborers. Its impressive 1,300 mm cleaning width tackles everything from cement to gravel with ease, ensuring no debris is left behind. Equipped with a 130 back drawer type sliding dust box, waste disposal has never been easier. And with a humanized control panel featuring simple button controls, operators can navigate with comfort and precision. The MINGNUO doesn't just clean, it cares. Its high-quality filter with mechanical automatic dust vibrating function ensures a thorough clean while protecting the environment and human health. And with a comfortable soft cover, rubber seat equipped with warning lights and turn signals, safety is always a top priority. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, the MINGNUO delivers exceptional performance. Adjustable brush, touch pressure, and rubber anti-skid tires guarantee optimal results in any operating environment. Plus, with optional spraying attachments available, dust suppression is taken to the next level. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. Experience the future of street cleaning with the MINGNUO Ride-on Floor Cleaning Machine and Street Sweeper by MINGNUO. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates. And don't forget to check the link in the description to buy yours today.